It's gone. He ate it. This is the 5,500 gallon shark pond. As you can see, it's finally growing algae. Look at those torches. Oh my goodness. Wad of 25 Mexican turbo snails. All right. Oh, look at that urchin. The blue starfish. Look at this thing. Have you fed him silvers yet? No, that's why he's out. Stingray is out and about right now. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Look at them, fired up. All those fish are actually gonna get moved over in, well, not all, I say all, but the jack, the stingray, the panther grouper, some of the bigger species that are gonna get even bigger are gonna be moved into our shark pond here very, very soon. Oh, dude, the groupers are so cool. Look at the lionfish. Look at the lionfish come out of the rock upside down. That was so sick. The jack is unreal, man. See how big that thing's got? I mean, my goodness, that panther grouper's got lionfish, gotta smoke. Ready? Oh, batfish got in the way. Oh, batfish. Here we go. Do it.
Get it.
Do it. Do it. Oh, dude. Just
what
teasing
happened?
us. That boy is getting big, dude. Oh my goodness. Where's Zebra? Oh, look at him. There he is. Hello, Mr. Zebra.
It's Big Dylan.
Big old Dylan right there. You gonna come by the window? Or you're gonna miss us?
Oh,
you're gonna miss us.
High up.
Zebra shark. We have a shark pond. If you didn't know that, you probably never seen my videos then before. But this is the 5,500 gallon shark pond. And this pond, as you can see, is finally growing algae inside of it. We've had our zebra shark in here, but that is literally the only thing in here, along with a cleaner wrasse and a few sergeant majors that were essentially like our test fish. They're doing great. They're still thriving. What we need now is some invertebrates. We need to, contain that algae level in here. So big snails, some cleaner shrimp, hermit crabs. What else can I think of? Pretty much anything you can think of invertebrate wise, we're buying today for this 5,500 gallon shark pond. Look at this guy. Yo! Is that not insane? Zebra shark. If you guys have yet to do so already, cop yourself a t-shirt right here. My guilty pleasure equals buying fish. They're all gonna be signed by me right here. You could get a golden ticket inside your order, which will then get you a fully paid trip to South Florida with a guest of your choice and hang out here at the PC farm, be in a video with me. So definitely go check that out. Links in the description. I think without further ado, as you can see, zebra shark is thriving. The shark pond looks crystal clear. The scape looks amazing. It's calling for some invertebrates. So we gotta go to the store and do just that. All right, folks, we're here at Hidden Reef Aquariums. This is the first time I've ever been here, and it's funny enough because Andy at the aquarium shop just purchased this. So this is his new shop. We're here to get some inverts for the pond, and we'll see how it is. 2 new shops in a row. Oh, dude. Yo! Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
How you working here now?
Yes, sir, I am.
It's called Hidden Reef for a reason, huh?
Exactly.
It is hidden. It's back here.
Yeah.
It's back. Dude, this place is epic, bro.
It's nice in here.
The AC is cranking. So he told me you have plenty of inverts.
Yes.
Yeah.
Snails.
Snails. Snails. I heard, yes. It's been hard to get inventory, but they have Mexican turbo snails. Lots of them, as you can see.
Oh, huge too.
Lots of Mexican turbo snails. As you can see, blood shrimp there as well. That's huge. Lots of turbo snails, bro. This is perfect. You got plenty. This is great. I might clear you out. Oh, dude. Sea urchins, too.
No way.
Bro, they've got everything.
Should we get a little urchin?
Oh yeah. Little purple tang, butterflies. $130 for that little fish, bro. That's how you know that they're expensive. Even at Top Shelf, when they're like this big, dude, they're like 350 bucks. It's crazy. I'm sure the lighting is just fantastic over here, huh? We don't have an orange lens. Look at those torches. Oh my goodness. Beautiful torches.
Those you can see.
They just look so good. I want to eat them.
They do look tasty.
They look tasty.
Yeah.
Those look like they taste like noodles. What are those? Orange spot filefish. Orange spot filefish. Dude, I've never seen one of those in my life.
Those are crazy.
Very hard to take care of.
We shouldn't get that.
We're gonna steer far from those. Why are pufferfishes so legendary? You gonna bite my finger? Oh, yep, he is. A little tiny porcupine puffer. That's a mini version of Mrs. Puff. All right, it's officially time. We're gonna get some Mexican turbo snails. I just figured out that's a living creature. A sea slug. Eats hair algae. We don't have that, so we're not gonna get that. That's one thing that's very important. We need to make sure that we don't buy too much snails, right? Because they're feeding on just the algae. So we have plenty of algae for, I believe, about 50 snails. And I think algae will continue to grow to keep about 50 of these Mexican turbo snails nice and healthy. So 50 turbo snails to start off, and then from there we'll see what else we can grab. So I think we're gonna pass on getting any shrimp. That is because the Sergeant Majors are in there, and anything I do plan to get could potentially eat them. So we're just gonna push from those. What we will get though is these 2 urchins. Those 2 urchins right there. Those 2 sea urchins, and maybe even that urchin right there to the side.
Was there another one?
Yep. They're just different. A long spined urchin and a pin cushion. 2 different urchins. We're gonna take all 3 of those home, and that'll be a wrap. All right, hidden reef. Super cool spot. We got all the inverts we need. Let's go home. Alrighty, fellas, we're back at the house. We've got all of our inverts right here. Snails, lots of snails. Oh, 50 snails to be exact. This is gonna be huge. We needed this. You're probably wondering what the heck this is. Just a little bit ago on the way home, we passed by another store and I couldn't help myself. I'd roll the clip. All right, folks, I had to stop at Mark's and get a blue starfish. This thing is sick. I saw it here. We're just looking for other stuff and couldn't help myself but to make the purchase. I had to get it. I couldn't help myself. I got a big blue starfish. Like, that is just so cool. I needed that. And it's gonna look great in the pond, so why not? That's gonna be the first one to go in. Oh, look who it is. Oh, hey, buddy. Hey, our zebra shark, Mr. Dylan over there. Dylan the zebra shark. Dude, it's crazy to have a zebra shark in the pond. Like, it's absolutely absurd. I love the way it moves its tail. It's like a thrasher shark. It's almost like a snake. It moves so much. Yeah, I wonder if he'd eat. Let's float our starfish. One sec, I have a piece of food. It's gone. He ate it. He ate. He ate. It hasn't even been a day yet.
That's really good.
It hasn't even been a day. I filmed this. He just ate. That is huge, bro.
That's really good.
That's huge. I just put him in hours ago, and we're filming the invert video. I'm putting the inverts in to make sure this algae is taken care of. He ate.
I did not expect that.
He just chomped that thing gone. Let's see if he does it again. Oh, he sniffed it though. I'll throw this one in there. Maybe he'll find this. That's huge news, folks. And we haven't even got the inverts in. Now, what I was saying was, we made a pit stop, we got a starfish, but that's on top of course, our 50 turbo snails that we're about to get in right now. We also got 2 of these urchins, which they'll probably be really not fun to swim in the pond when I do go swimming. Check this out. A big wad of 25 Mexican turbo snails. Can I get them all in one grab? Let's see. The sheer girth of some of these, like, look at the size of that thing. Let's drop this whole ball right in. Ready? See, guys, land right on the algae. Look at those things. Isn't that crazy looking? And they've got this sand that's almost cemented where it is. It's completely dried. I can't even get it off. That's a big snail. And they'll only get bigger. Now, I'm gonna drop them all here. Whatever ones are not laying with the actual snail side on the ground, I'm gonna have to go and flip myself. Mexican turbo snails do not flip themselves back over. So I'll just put them close to the window here where it's easy access, and then I can grab this mama and flip them over whenever they all figure themselves out. All right. Oh! Let's take a giant handful of these mamas. Dude, look at that handful. It's a bunch of monster snails. These guys are gonna take care of our algae problem, no problem. There they go. And in just a couple minutes, I will be flipping all those like I had mentioned. But what we do have to put in now is the urchins. He tries to get me with it. Ah! Look at that urchin.
He's an alien.
Whoa, dude. If you look really closely, he's moving. Wow. Alrighty, buddy. So long, my friend. Floating down to the bottom he goes. Oh, when I go swimming in here, that's gonna be one of those deadly ones that you're just kind of swimming around the pond and don't even notice and just step on. That would not feel good to step on. All right, here we go again. Yeah, I didn't just get one, I got 2. There we go. Got him. All right, dude. He just slowly sinks, like so slow. There he is.
Landed.
He landed right on the algae too. Right on the algae. And then there's this other right here. These feel exactly what their name is. Nice little spikes. And there's the mouth. There you go, buddy. Gotta make sure he doesn't flip, which they should stay pretty even.
He's getting rocky.
Oh, he's getting rocky. He's gonna land perfect.
Beautiful.
Nice. All right, Fellas, all 3 urchins, all the Mexican turbo snails are in. You know what we got left over? Big old Mama Salsa Waka. Yes, sir. The biggest of them all. The blue starfish. Look at this thing. Is that not just beautiful? Look at that thing. Sick. Have you ever seen a starfish like that? Because I have not. It is one heck of a starfish. I saw it, and I couldn't help but buy it. Let's put him over here. Don't flip. Gosh dang it.
He flipped.
He flipped. I gotta flip him back over. They probably can use their legs, but I'm gonna move them. All right, ready, buddy? There you go. And just like that, he's ready to go. He can walk wherever he wants now. That is epic. We have plenty of action in here. Lots of snails, starfish, and urchins. And we can always go get more if we need to, but I wanted to kickstart the entire invert cycle now. So now all these inverts can start doing their thing, which is literally creating an ecosystem of its own, along with our zebra shark that we have in here. And of course, the cleaner wrasse and our sergeant majors. So that's what we have in here. And there's definitely more to come. I wanna get a black tip shark, which is one of the most aggressive looking shark. It's actually the shark that's on the painting here. That's why they have the black tip right here. Black tip shark. And we'll get baby pups of that, which they're probably like this big. It'd be so sick to watch how aggressive they are. Zebra shark, look at the zebra. Oh my goodness. 50 snails, 3 urchins, and a starfish. All chilling. I know invert videos aren't the craziest. We just released a shark and received a shark in the last video, so it's quite the difference, but it's part of building the ecosystem in this 5,500 gallon saltwater pond. And tell you what, that's some cool stuff. This over here is the predatory pond. Y'all know the 4,000 gallon predatory pond. Soon, we're gonna be moving over a lot of the fish out of here, or some of the fish out of here, and over into the shark pond. We had mentioned it in the beginning of this video, but let me just show you guys what I'm thinking. This jack has grown so much, and I know he would love the circle pond, more room. So the jack crevalle will definitely be going over and into the shark pond next. He'll be the first one to move over. That same day, we'll probably end up moving over the stingray, which we have a stingray in here as well. He really just comes out when we feed, and you guys have seen him if you watch the channel enough. Beautiful stingray. He'll just pop out when he kind of wants to be quite honest with you. And then along with the stingray, we will probably move over the remora. God, it's monstrous. That remora is huge.
Look how fat it is.
I know. He eats like crazy. He eats a lot of food, and I got him when he was literally small enough to sit on the jack's head. He used to make a mark on the jack's head and the batfish's head. I mean, he was this big, and now he's a foot long. So I know he'll love to be in the shark pond as well. So the jack, the remora, the stingray, and as of right now, that's all I could really think of moving over. I was thinking maybe the tesselado eel, which is in here as well. I don't know how easy that's gonna be to catch. And he is totally fine in this predatory pond. So it's like a 50-50 move. Maybe the lionfish. Y'all just let me know what you think in the comments as well. I always go through the comments and read those. Look at Mrs. Puff. That big booty bitch. She is thick. And then we have our grouper over there. Fork-tail grouper. Super beautiful fish, man. Everything looks good, man. The water fluctuates so much from like crystal clear to clear, but has a little tint. Right now I gotta fix the filter pump. It's always something, fellas. If you wanna know how hard it is to maintain these 3 ponds, it's 24/7 work, and we have 3 employees. So it's quite the amount of work running this. And that's why we do these merch shops, to fund that. So if you do want to help out, buy yourself a shirt, and you could get a free trip to the PC farm. Right now these are available, but there's literally only so much, and last time they sold out in 48 hours. So make sure to go get you a shirt. This is the new one, My Guilty Pleasure Equals Buying Fish. As we did today, we bought invertebrates. I appreciate all of you for watching these videos. Like, I mean, we literally have a zebra shark now. How crazy is that? To have a pet zebra shark is just, you really don't see this shark too, which I think is the coolest part about getting it, is everyone's got a brown banded bamboo. I've had that myself. The horn shark, which will also be moved over. We'll be moving over the horn shark from over there. Those species are really normally seen. This is not. This zebra shark is just one of a kind, and it's literally the craziest thing that I've ever had in my entire life. I actually, as a matter of fact, let me climb out of the jungle here. As a matter of fact, I come in this building now, and I'm thinking to myself, just please be okay. That's all I can think about. It's my favorite fish I've ever had, and I take pride owning this shark. So I'm gonna poop my pants every time I walk in this building from now on out. So thank you so much for watching today's video, getting inverts for the shark pond. If you enjoyed it, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below. Smash the like button for more videos just like this. I've got another banger video rolling out for you guys in just a couple days. So love ya. Get yourself some merch. It won't last forever. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.